Voting for the African National Congress in 2024 on the 29th of May, voting for the ANC. First ballot, we are voting for the African National Congress. Second ballot, we are voting for the African National Congress. Third ballot, we are voting for the African National Congress.
Abantwana bethu bafola igranti ngayo yona i-ANC. ANC seyizele into eninzi yasikhipha emhluphekweni ngeke siye
banyaza sisityayi ukuthi iyouth yethu ithole imisebenzi. Ibizo yami ukuthi ngivotele i-ANC yileyo. Ngizoyivotela i-ANC.
I'm going to vote for the ANC.
Going to vote for ANC.
votele i-ANC ngoba i-ANC ngidile ngayo.
This year, ANC
usenze saba lento esiyiyo.
Sithanda kakhulu i-ANC.
i-ANC kudala ngivotela kuyo.
Naloko votela ANC.
I-29 zami.
Young people in Westmoreland, Cosmo City particularly, have got the utmost confidence in the ANC president and the ANC itself.